west of us. And to zoom in, there's some storms in and around Butterfield, Waco tanks, likely to see maybe a little outflow boundary, a little gust of wind from some of these storms, kind of develop some of these storms out into the northeastern portion of the county. Let's kind of zoom things out. You can see on the west side of town, northwest side of town, these storms have weakened, in fact, really fizzled out, although we still have some activity going on in Doñana County. There's a look at White Sands. You can see the general motion of these storms up towards the north right now. And if we track this one right here, again, a good ways from, well, not a good ways, but still south of the White Sands area, that's moving towards the north-northeast at about 20 miles an hour. So taking aim right now, eventually, if it can hold together for you folks in White Sands. You can see that one also in between Las Cruces and Doñana there. Again, this is just a small thunderstorm. It is building. You can see some of the lightning with that particular cell. Outbound, you can see out in the middle of the county here, or at least in the western county, we have some of these thunderstorms that are ongoing and developing out there as we speak. Farther down towards the north, there is some activity showing south in Chihuahua. These things are lightning, so we are seeing some thunderstorms as well. We'll track these, and they are making their way up towards the north too, and a little bit to the northeast. So we'll be watching these. If they could hold together, maybe we could see some activity a little bit later on this evening. All right, let's take a look at our latest future track computer model. We'll see what the model has to say as far as predicting some of these storms. And as we run the model here, 6 o'clock, the model not picking up on these storms down to the south of us, but you can see by 6 o'clock, we're not really anticipating much activity developing out there. And as we continue to run the model through later on tonight, there's a look at Thursday night at 9 o'clock. You'll notice that a lot of these storms begin to dwindle out there. We aren't seeing a whole lot of activity even towards 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll track some of these showers and storms farther out towards the west of us as we make our way into Luna County. This is Friday morning at 8 o'clock, and a lot of these storms tomorrow will once again develop up towards the west and start to make their way towards the northeast as well. So that's what we are going to be